Hey, what's happening, Sneaky Heads? How you doing? How y'all been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, you already know, go and smash that thumbs up. You know what we're trying to do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
In this video, we got that what? That weekly
Weekly
heat,
Heat.
baby. That
Yes, sir.
weekly heat. So these are shoes that are coming out from April 13th to the April 19th. I'm gonna go ahead and start off. So on April 15th, we do have the I'm a Meneer Jordan 3 for love. It is coming back, but this time it will be releasing on the sneakers app. Price point for these is $225. We already went in detail with these shoes, so we're not going to go in full detail. Just to know that this predominant shoe is all white. It does have that suede where the elephant print is normally at. This does feature that diffused blue with that sail midsole. Overall, I am rocking these. How about you, my brother? What do you think about these?
You know what? I'm really liking these shoes. I like how they incorporated the suede with this shoe. It's a clean shoe. I just wish Jordan Brand would do a better job with when it comes to thinking outside the box with the laces. So I will be rocking those. I will be rocking those. Drop us a comment down below if you're rocking those or dropping those, but I will be rocking those.
Yes, sir. What we got next, my brother?
So on the same day, on April 15th, we do have that Air Jordan 4, that SB releasing. Price point for those are going for 225. I'm really liking this shoe. You know, this is a clean shoe for the summer. I'm liking what Jordan Brand is doing with this shoe. I like how they just keeping the shoe very simple and very classic. A toe on there. I like how they went with that gum bottom of this shoe. This is a clean shoe. I will be rocking those. I will be rocking those. Once again, I wish Jordan Brand just really put some thought behind the laces. You got an all white shoe with a hint of blue, and then you got white shoelaces. Come on, Jordan Brand, put some thought behind that. But I will be rocking those. I will be rocking those. Hey, drop us a comment down below if you're rocking those or dropping those.
Yes,
What about
sir.
you, my brother?
So I'll be rocking these as well. Unfortunately for me, we don't have any SB shops in our area to get these shoes. So this will be my first time trying to go for these. So we know that Nike is limiting their stocks. There's rumored to only have 33K of these pairs coming out. We wish you the best of luck on April 15th. And hopefully we'll have these for you on the channel, but stay tuned. So moving on to the last shoe of the week. On April the 18th, we do have an Air Jordan 1 Low OG Rookie of the Year. This has released already before in a high top version. Now they're coming out with this low top version. The predominantly the shoe is all white. We do see that mustard yellow around the toe box and on the heel. Moving around to the tongue, we do see the white tongue does have that black tag on there with that red hit in Nike Air. Does feature the black laces to match the black swoosh on the side. I do think that's a nice touch for this shoe. Looking at the bottom of the shoe, it's completely black, so you don't have to worry about getting these shoes all dirty from the bottom. Moving around to the back of the shoe, we do see that Wings logo in black as well. Overall, this is just a clean, simple shoe. And if you like the Air Jordan 1 High OGs, then you should be rocking these. I'm going to be rocking these just because this is a clean colorway and it looks really good with them black laces. You the one, man, my brother. What do you think about these?
I'm really liking those. I wish they would have released those maybe back in the fall. I can see that shoe really, standing out. Some black jeans or some corduroy jeans, right? I could see them. I could see them really doing well. I'm liking how they did switch up the shoelace to match the Nike, swoosh. I really liking that. So I will be rocking those. I will be rocking those. Hey, drop us a comment down below if you're rocking those or dropping those. Hey, if you guys continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
And like we said for sure, when you're blessed,
Hey, bless others.
peace.
Peace.